डियर पेरेंट्स, आज हम बात करेंगे अपने बच्चों के लिए 5 रूल्स टू कीप योर चाइल्ड फ्यूचर फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर। कैसे हम ये 5 रूल जिससे हम अपने बच्चों को फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर कर सकते हैं। A child come a lot of responsibility for parents. All parents strive to give the best to their children and secure their child future. Planning your child future will be in advance will prepare you for many stages of your life. The best plan would cover all the vital phases of the child life like education, higher education. Keep the below mentioned thing in the mind for planning a secure financial secure for your child. Start investing as early as possible. अपने बच्चे के लिए जल्दी से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए हमें सेविंग करना. Some parents wait to start saving and investing for their children till they cross the primary schooling. Starting to save late should lead to sacrificing good higher education for the child. You cannot ignore that the education is getting costlier. With time, no hope of getting any better. If you start investing sooner, as early as from your childbirth, will you find yourself in a better position to invest in the moderate risk instrument, giving better returns in the long run. Also, the benefit of starting to invest early in that will have time to correct your investing decision if the need be. Instead of investing in the low risk fixed income security, one should explore different avenues of investment that will provide higher returns in the long run. A good idea should be start with a small investment and enjoy the benefit of compounding financial. However, as this is the long-term planning, make sure you are the timely reviewing your child fund in the interval for any rebalancing. This will enable you to adjust your investment strategy according to the market condition and your goal. Invest according to your child's short-term goal and a long-term goal. Second point. It is essential to divide the financial goals of even your children into the short term and long term. Short term goals can include all the expense you must incur within the next 1 to 2 years, like the school fee for any kids extracurricular activities fees. Long term goals would consist of university admission fees and a abroad education, child marriage, etc. Parents can investing for both short-term and long-term goals. For long-term goal, equity investment can be considered as which offer moderate risk with a good return. For short-term goals, surplus fund can be invested in a liquid asset like a debt fund, relatively less risky. Purchase health and term insurance covering for your child insurance. Having a robust investment plan in the first step, however, it is not enough. Good financial planning is incomplete unless your child are protected under a good health and the life insurance plan. Consider all the terms and conditions and how they will be affected while selecting a plan. While purchasing life insurance to protect your family and children, make sure you select a premium waiver plan that will provide financial backing to your family in case of unfortunate event. Look for the partial withdrawal investment plan. If you start early, investing in your child future will be very long-term investment plan, maybe for 15 to 20 years. The instrument that provide both securities and good returns come with the long lock in the periods. One must be aware of all the terms and the condition of such long term investment and the instrument that allow easy withdrawal or of fund for the fulfilling a child future need would act as a bond. Investment that you are not helped in the emergencies will be regretted later on. Appointee a nominee. Instrument that allow easy withdrawal of fund of fulfilling a child future needs would act as a boon investment that are not fulfilled in the emergencies will be regretted later on. Thank you for watching my video. डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे रूल्स टू कीप योर चाइल्ड फ्यूचर फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर। हम कैसे अपने बच्चों का फ्यूचर सिक्योर कर सकते हैं फाइनेंशियली। ब्रिंगिंग ए न्यू लाइफ into the world comes a lot more responsibility as well as the financial liabilities. When it coming to securing their child future, parents need to plan everything out in advance. Only the best child plan would cover several aspects. It would also take into the account that the various phases of the child life, including their education, healthcare, and even the marriage. To ensure the child future is financially secure and comfortable, parents should take into your account factor including the cost of higher education, the size of saving extra. As such, there are the certain pointers which you should take into the consideration to ensure a proper future of your child. Use the power of compounding to your advantage. A lot of funds go into the availing higher education from a decent educational institution. Keeping this in mind, parents should try to build a strong corpus for their child education. Fund planning. As a parent, you should factor in the reality that the cost of availing education over a decade from now would be more expensive. Instead of relying on the traditional investment tool like FDs, you should explore investment avenue that help you compound and earn your earning to great extent. Your ultimate aim should be to build a child education fund that is sufficient to meet your child financial requirements even when you are not around. Plan a better education for your child by choosing a systematic investment plan route like compounding to build their education corpus faster. Start early. With investment comes the benefit of extended time horizon, ability to weather the greater risk and the opportunity to earn higher. If parents begin to practice financial planning for children soon as they are born, they would be better equipped to cushion their future. The benefit of early financial planning, our children would provide better outcomes if they invest in their long-term scheme. Have a comprehensive insurance policy in place. Just having a strong investment plan is not enough to secure a child future. You also need to take into the account other unforeseen situations and danger parenting to their life as well. It is crucial to get a child life insecure apart from having the best child plan in place. Also pick a child insurance plan that offers extensive coverage and comes with an array of the benefit. Take inflation into account while planning. As per a research conducted by the National Sample Survey Office, the cost of any professional degree courses double in the 6th year. In tandem, inflation is yet to be curbed in the Indian financial sphere. To protect a child education from being eroded, parents must factor in the rate of the inflation. It will help them to plan the future of their child better. It also helps them mentally and financially prepared for their impending persuasion of inflation on their corpus. By incorporating the best child plan that cushions the blow of inflation, you prevent your saving from eroding. Protect and prioritize vital goals. Financial plans for children is indispensable for securing a child's future. But what add is on to it value is that it account for all their goals and prioritize them in a feasible order. To be better equipped for pursuing a particular goal for their child's future, parents should ensure that they cover each plan separately. They can even take up separate time plans to safeguard the important goals. It will increase the probability to achieve each goal signifying. Select a premium waiver benefit plan. Life is full of uncertainties, but even in the case of an event concerning the unfortunate demise of parent or guardian, the child should at least have the necessary financial backing. Such monetary assistance is vital to help the child at the very least achieve their educational goal. Make sure that the child plan you intend to avail for securing your child's future comes attacked with the addition. Investment in the high yielding scheme with the practice of early financial planning for the children. Individual also avail in the opportunity to invest in the high yielding scheme that comes with the greater risk. High return funds have the potential to outperform other asset classes and are considered effective in the building a corpus faster. The long-term horizon of such financial plan further allow investor to stomach greater risk and recover from loser better. Include partial withdrawal plans in the portfolio. It is a wise decision to always be prepared for emergencies. Individuals should make contingency plan and put together a child education fund that help them tide over the financial crisis easily. But such fund or plan would prove to be more helpful if at the time of emergencies they come with the provision of partial withdrawal. The ease to withdraw fund would act as a boon at the time when fulfilling a need for child future is more urgent than the others. Appoint a nominee. Appointing a responsible person as a nominee would prove useful in the event of the death of the parents and the guardian. Hence, it is important to choose a nominee who can be relied upon because they would be responsible for getting the claim amount until their child turns into an adult. Keep reviewing your plan periodically. To ensure that you plan a better education for your child, make it point to review your financial strategy. Plan who indulge to reviewing and modifying their child education fund planning are more likely to account for the factor that may erode their potential saving for the child fund in the future. This directly helps them to adjust their investment, saving and strategies according and help them the maintain cynically. Beside following these rules, parents should adopt a financial plan that will help them and their children face a crisis with the ease. Embracing a comprehensive child education plan will not only help to reduce the doubt but also help to eliminate the fears that arise due to the financial insecurity. For more for your child personal consultancy, please contact us, and thank you for watching my video.